8 things your eyes are telling you about your health. Hi there! Welcome to Bloom. Have you ever wondered why your eye doctor takes such a long time to examine your eyes? Well, eye examinations examine much more than just your eyesight. During your eye exam, your eye doctor is looking for illnesses or disorders that might damage your vision, but he or she is also looking for indicators that could suggest a general health concern. Your eye doctor can detect early symptoms of diabetes, determine whether you are at an increased risk of heart disease, and even detect signs of cancer. In today's video, we will go over 8 things your eyes are telling you about your health, so make sure you watch until the end of the video. Subscribe and turn on notifications to see more videos like this and much more. Number 1. Yellow white of eyes. Have you noticed a yellowing of the whites of your eyes? This is a solid indicator that something is wrong with your body and that it is time to see a doctor. When the whites of your eyes turn yellow, this suggests a serious problem with your liver. If the liver is unable to handle red blood cells as they break down, it might result in jaundice. Jaundice is a disorder that happens when your blood has an abnormally high level of bilirubin. This buildup of bilirubin causes a yellowing of the whites of the eyes and the skin. Don't delay seeking medical attention if your eyes are yellowing. Number 2. Bulging eyes. Bulging eyes can be an indication of thyroid disease. High thyroid levels or hyperthyroidism is associated with an autoimmune disorder known as Graves' disease, which may cause swelling of the ocular muscles and bulging of the eyes. Number 3. Blurred vision. The presence of blurred vision should never be ignored. This might be an indication of diabetes, which causes an excess of sugar in the blood. As a result, diabetic retinopathy may develop. This happens when tiny blood vessels in your eyes leak blood and other fluids, causing impaired vision. In other cases, blurry vision that is sudden and severe could be an indication of a stroke or the onset of a migraine headache. Medical assistance should be sought immediately to avoid major injury and may possibly save your life. Enjoying this video? Comment down below and give us a like to support the channel. Number 4. Grayish ring around the iris. When cholesterol levels in the eyes rise, a white, gray, or blue ring around the iris might appear. While this disorder is a typical symptom of aging, it may also signify elevated cholesterol and triglycerides, as well as an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. A simple blood test for hyperlipidemia can detect if there are unusually high levels of fat in the blood. This test should be done for anyone under the age of 40. Number 5. Twitching eyes. We have all experienced twitching eyes at some point in our lives, and there is a straightforward reason for them: too much stress. Twitching is mostly associated with fatigue and stress, and may affect both the upper and lower lids. Eye twitching is very common and often harmless, disappearing on its own, requiring no treatment. It has been linked to alcohol, exhaustion, caffeine, insufficient sleep, stress, and smoking. In rare cases, eye twitching could be an indication of a neurological disease, such as multiple sclerosis, but would also be present with additional symptoms such as trouble going to the bathroom, walking around, or talking to others. Number 6. Drooping eyelids. This might be a sign of myasthenia gravis and is usually the first symptom in about 50% of cases. Myasthenia gravis is a condition in which the immune system attacks and weakens the muscles in the body. It mostly affects the eye, facial, and throat muscles and may make chewing, swallowing, and even speaking difficult. Number 7. Dry eyes. The most common eye-related symptom of rheumatoid arthritis is dryness of the eyes. Because dry eyes are more susceptible to infection, symptoms may vary from mild to severe. Number 8. Cancer. No matter where cancer starts, your eyes may be one of the first locations to display symptoms. A routine annual eye check could reveal anything from brain cancer to skin cancer. Tumors may cause optic nerves to expand and distort the structure of your eyes, which can compromise your field of vision, while bleeding retinas can indicate leukemia, which can cause blindness. A change in the color of your eyes could indicate ocular melanoma. Your eye doctor would refer you to a specialist and notify you if any problems are discovered. If you liked this video, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.